Look at all these flamingos.
I was set sailing like a character in a book. I think this is what it's like to be free. I was so helpless to say what I really meant. I know she can make it out of this one alright. You were so careless, the way you know how to be. I know that we can make it out of this one alright. Is it so lonely to be the one with some sense? I hope that you look back on me the same.
We've made it to the Boston Zoo. Check this place out. Not the Boston Zoo, the Stone Zoo. Makes sense.
Yeah.
There's nothing around. There, it looks like a shadow. Oh, that's cool. Is that his treat?
I'd rather meet a cougar in a zoo than
Up here. You see this thing too?
They seem stressed out.
Not one.
Halloween, the orange and black ones?
Candy corn.
No.
Maze.
Yeah, actual maze. Yeah, that's it.
He came from the Tulsa Zoo. We also have a female jaguar, but because big cats, most of them are solitary, he and our female take turns. Would you like a
Which one's Alpha there?
Quick, do bird things.
It's up before you recorded.
One does wonder, what evolutionary path that took.
Oh, I bet she's upset at her because she wore the same thing.
Probably.
There we go. Here's a friend. Dinosaurs!
Oh, you are so tragic. The way it was, so predictable. A miracle in color. We come alive, now I'm ready to go.
That's a wild atmosphere.
That's what I like to hear. Well, let's get started. Many of us know how beautifully and brightly colored the birds of our world are. Take, for example, Charlie. Our little juvenile Erica's hawk. Our brains are able to receive and process this beautiful chestnut browns and whites because of what's going on in our eyes. Some birds are able to see multiple objects at once. Others can see just as well underwater as they can above. Some species can see better behind them than they can in front. And there are some birds that can see very well, even in the darkest of night. That red-tail is a symbol to any potential mate of Vita, and she is a red-legged Seriama. Seriamas are found in the Combos grasslands of Central South America. They prefer running or walking over flying because the ground is where they find their food. Anita has spotted the rare flying snake of South America. She's going to sneak up on it, pick it up by the tail, and slam it into the ground. Ouch. Seriamas will smash their prey. Flying on the stage is Riley, our American barn owl. As Riley pirouettes at the end of my glove, take a look at his beautiful heart-shaped face. All these things combine to give him an amazing sense of hearing. He can hear so well. This is Buddy, our double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. Buddy, can you say hello? Buddy, who's your hero? You're my hero. What do you say, George?
What?
Can you warble? Can you warble? Warble, warble, warble.
Hey, you guys are watching Bird Up, the worst show on television.
Are you ready to sing all of me? All of me. All of me. Round of applause for Buddy.
Hi, Felicia.
We've already talked about how humans don't have anywhere near the vision of birds of prey, especially eagles. Hello, Buford!
Oh my god.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this bird needs no introduction, but he's getting one anyway. This is Buford, our American bald eagle.
You got that?
It's a buffalo.
Be careful. Sitting on its head.
Need a picture I'm thinking.
Oh, Napperson. Playground. Look at these cool guys.
Alright, so we going now?
Zoo.
Briefly for like a couple. Well, on the highway section, same way. What are we talking? These,
Boston's pretty green friendly, and I like it. Check this out.
That's 2 hours, so we're probably not gonna do it for more than 2.
Solar panels on the pay machine.
That's how green we are.
I was set sailing like a character in a book. I think this is what it's like to be free. Let's make our way from place to place. This is what we want in our bones. Never looking back, just growing old. It is our time. And are you so chromatic? The way you are, unpredictable.
So the lampposts here are still gas powered, just like back in ye old days. So they run all day. It's pretty cool.
I feel the wind grow static. Let's break the hold. I'm ready to go. And oh, you are so tragic. The way it was, so predictable. A miracle in color. We come alive. I'm ready to go. Is this the way you want to go? Back around the way we used to know. Not conforming to the things we hold. Is this what I wanna let you know? Is this the way you want to go? Back around the way we used to go. Not conforming to the things we hold. Is this what I wanna let you know? And oh, you're so chromatic. The way you are, unpredictable. I feel that we grow static. Let's break the hold. I'm ready to go. And oh, you are so tragic. The way it was, so predictable. A miracle in color. We come alive. I'm ready to go.
Gotta get to the vault.
It was really good.